Hi, I'm Dorena Gordy. Can you guess where I am and what I am doing now? Just follow me and I'll show you.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. Can you guess where I am and what I'm doing now? Just follow my step and I will show you.
We imagine you guessed we might be doing something with food, but we bet you didn't guess we were comparing convenience stores on campus. That was Adams Market, serving North Monroe, and 20 something, serving Kerr Drummond and surrounding dorms. Here's how we're picking a winner.
Here are our criteria. The first one is food variety. In this part, we will mainly focus on the common food choice and check whether these two convenience stores have some healthy food such as fresh products. The second criteria is about convenience, including accessibility, the open times of the stores, the cashier's friendliness, and the cleanliness in the store. The last criteria is about price. We will choose some food which both served in the two stores and compare the prices.
At Adams Market, we can see a variety of frozen goods, canned goods, pallets of water, and miscellaneous goods. We have a fair selection of chips and dips, candies, and various other non healthy foods. Unfortunately, as you can see, the state of the stocking at Adams Market is fairly low, and we can't really expect more food to come in until the next semester, so the selection at Adams Market is not particularly fantastic. However, not pictured but just off to the side, Adams Market also features two restaurants, Squawkers, which serves chicken, and Gourmet Galley that serves pizza and pastas.
Let's have a look at the food variety in 20 something. We can see that it serves a lot of snacks on the left side. Here we got some yogurt, sandwich, and fresh products such as salad and fruit. There are also various kinds of snacks such as candies, chocolates, and chips. We can also get many drinks here such as Pepsi, juice, and coffee. This section has a sandwich place called Which, where we can get different kinds of sandwich. 20 something also serves for frozen food. In conclusion, 20 something has a good food variety and can meet the daily needs of most students.
Here we see a map of campus with 20 something and Adams Market helpfully pointed out. As you can see, Adams Market is located at the far north of campus, while 20 something is more centralized. So someone familiar with the OSU campus can get their bearings. We've also marked the Student Union as a helpful reference point. Adams Market is located in the North Monroe neighborhood, aptly named seeing it is in the far north of campus and it's just off Monroe. Dorms around Adams Market include Zink Allen and the University Commons, as well as other student hubs such as the North Oklahoma College University Building and the Bus Hub. Unfortunately, Adams Market is located inconveniently for most students who live in more southern dorms or for commuters because it is of its usually full parking.
20 something is located in Kerr Drummond Hall and there are a lot of dorms around it, such as villages and winds. Students who live in this area can easily get access to 20 something through several roads. Also, there are a lot of parking places around 20 something, which is convenient for people who drive here. Compared with Adams Market, 20 something is closer to most of the classrooms and student union, which is also convenient for general students to get here. For the open times of the two stores, we can see that Adams Market opens from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. from Sunday to Saturday. 20 something opens from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. In weekdays and 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. in weekends. Obviously, the open time of 20 something is longer and more convenient for the customers.
No matter where you go on campus, you will likely find a friendly staff and a pretty clean store. Whether student staff or adult staff, the cashiers at Adams Market and 20 something try their best to be kind and courteous to their customers. For some of the items Jasmine and I looked at, such as these marshmallows, the prices were identical and the quantities that were available in were identical as well.
We also picked the naked juice to compare the price in the two stores. The left one is Adams Market, which is $3.89, 10 cents cheaper than that in 20 something. For the Pringles, chips, the products in Adam's Market is also 10 cents cheaper than that in 20 something. The same situation as the naked juice.
While some items between the two stores, Adams Market and 20 something, have identical price tags, and some have slightly differing price tags, there are also some you just downright can't check. Two offerings that I found in Adams Market have compared to compare just didn't have price tags. While they were clearly marked at 20 something, Adams Market lacked any real price indicators, making it inconvenient to shop if you're on a budget. For food variety, Adams Market has less options, less healthy food, and pretty much no fresh choices, such as fresh fruit or fresh veggies. Their parking lots are usually pretty full. There is construction around the area often, but the friendly staff and the fairly clean atmosphere make it pretty okay. The prices are usually equal between both stores, but sometimes Adams Market can be a little cheaper. But on the downside, a lot of the prices aren't really marked, which makes it confusing and inconvenient for some students to shop.
For food variety, 20 something has more kinds of foods than Adam's Market. It also serves fresh products, which we didn't find in Adam's Market. For accessibility, there were more ways to get to 20 something. The parking place around 20 something is also bigger than that around Adam's Market. For open time, 20 something wins. The cashier friendliness and cleanliness of the two stores are the same. For food price, although some products in Adam's Market are 10 cents cheaper than that in 20 something, which is not a huge amount, the price label in 20 something is always clear, not like Adam's Market. So, according to our comparison and evaluation, the final winner will be 20 something. Hooray!